Happy New Year! Wow, that was really high. I hope you're enjoying your holiday break. I definitely am. And one of the things that I love to do during this downtime is take some time to plan my next year. In our membership program, The Table, we did a super deep dive into a yearly planning ritual. And I don't have time to get into that now, but I want to give you 3 key questions to ask as you look ahead to 2021. The first thing I want you to do is think of the major highlights of this year for you, career and personal. We as humans tend to focus on the things that didn't go well so that we can change them, but we also need to know what went well so we can continue to do that. Second, think of the key lessons that you learned in the past year. Perhaps you learned something about yourself. Perhaps you learned something about your habits. Think about what those are and what you want to take into 2021. And then last but not least, you're going to set intentions for this next year. And when you do that, I want you to think about what you are calling in and what you are letting go of as you enter into this next phase. I hope that helps as you reflect on how you're going to make 2021 your best year yet. Have a safe and happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.